Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Yamaha XSR700. This fuel-injected, twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled retro sport just arrived with only 2,500 miles. Really cool retro styling. It's got the smoked windscreen, little mini fly screen. It's also got the custom seat. We have the original seat to go along with this beautiful XSR 700. I love that matte silver finish with the red stripe. Really gives you the retro feel on this excellent performance 700. Come on by, make your sport dreams come true for just $77.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.